Alright everybody, we're back with another video. Now this one is going to be a little different. I need some help. Clearly these past couple videos y'all have heard me talk about getting a bigger bike, and the urge is growing more and more each day. But I'm undecided, man. I'm undecided on, obviously the main bike that I want is the BMW S1000RR. Man, I just think that bike looks so good. Other than that, the only other bike that I would pick would be the R1. But I'm not opposed to any leader bike, man. I mean, a ZX10, a CBR, a Gixxer 1000. Like, I ain't opposed to any of those bikes, man. They all look good. They all sound good to me. But if I had to choose in between one or the other, or between like top two, would be the BMW and the M1 or R1. Sorry, I'm thinking about the R1M. Psych, can't fucking afford that. Well, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it is more pricey than the regular R1, but still, can't afford it. I'm gonna stick to R1 if I get one. I mean, I've been a Yamaha guy my whole time being on the bike. I love how the BMW looks. Thing looks insane. Gixxers look really good too. And CBR, I don't know, just CBR is just the neutral ground, you know, it's reliable. It's a leader bike. Can't go wrong with it. Oh, sorry everybody. I started getting sick these past couple days. Dang, chest is congested. Or throat, whatever. It sucks. But it does feel amazing today to ride a bike. I don't know how it's going to feel today. I'm on the way to the gym right now. I don't know how it's going to feel after I get done with the gym. Sun's going to be down. It got up to 71 today, which is pretty crazy in January for the upstate. Like, that is unheard of. But it feels good to ride the bike. So that's what we're doing. Oh god, concrete. Yeah, I mean, like, which leader bike would y'all pick if y'all had the chance? Or heck, why did you pick your leader bike if you even got one already? Because as fun as it is on this R7, I need me a bigger bike, some with a little bit more horsepower, one that I could just whop and then, you know, see you later. Now obviously I'll still keep the R7. I love the R7. R7 is a nice bike, man. But it's not what exactly I'm looking for. Well, I guess it was when I was looking for a bike at first. But now, I need something bigger. I don't think I would like a Ducati, honestly, now thinking about it. They look so good, but I ain't got Ducati money. Hey kids, run! Oh shit, this guy's braking. Oh gosh. Working out while I'm sick, heck yeah. Makes sense, right? honestly, I wasn't even gonna go to the gym, but I thought it gave me another reason to ride the bike, make another video for y'all. Why not? Like, it just feels so good out here. And here I am rubbing on my bike again because it's so smooth. Alright, I gotta stop that. This guy next to me was staring so fucking hard. It's so weird when you lock eyes with somebody in traffic. Like, bro, what are you staring at? You ain't never seen a bean on a bike? It was so awkward. Dude, me and this guy just literally locked eyes. Talk about a gay moment. He's probably a weirdo. Drives an F-150. Oh wait, I drive one too. Oops. Woo! 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 I got a feeling it's gonna be a little chilly when I get. Oh, sorry about that. My nose was itchy. Yeah, I got a feeling it's gonna be real chilly when I get out of the gym. It'll be alright. Hopefully the gym warms me up. Oh my god, what is going on? Felt like something was bothering me in my helmet. The best part is I got a tinted helmet. Ain't gonna be able to see shit when I leave the gym. Come on, go ahead. Of course. Dude, I tell you what, over the Christmas break, I miss going to the gym in the morning. Yesterday and Monday was so bad, bro. All these new year, new me people coming to start their, journey to get themselves in better shape or become a different person. Bro, it literally took me almost 2 hours on Monday to work out. And it normally takes me about an hour. Hell, yesterday I couldn't even find a fucking parking spot. I literally had to park at the dang Starbucks across the lot and walk all the way down. It sucked. I got my cardio in though, that's for sure. Like, during Christmas break, dude, oh my goodness. There was hardly anybody there. I mean, granted, I was going in the morning, so I don't know if towards the afternoon it get a little bit more packed, but obviously the holidays affected all that. So, but it was nice. It was so nice being able to go to every machine that I needed and not have to wait for anybody. Yesterday, I got real lucky if I didn't have to wait. It was horrible. But a lot of people don't last in this whole new, going to the gym, trying to try it out. I normally give people a few weeks before they're not dedicated enough to stick to it. Anyway, bringing it back to the 1000s. So, the BMWs, man, I mean, they look so good. But talking to a few friends about them, they started telling me if obviously, I mean, I can see it. It's a BMW, just like their cars. If you don't spend money on aftermarket parts or on doing the parts right, like getting the expensive shit, you know, don't cheap out and order some off-brand shit. But if you don't do the stuff the right way, like I've heard people having troubles with them, like as in, I don't know, just like I guess electrical or like sensors just start popping up on them just because I guess the bike doesn't like what modification you did to it, because you cheaped out on it basically. It's not good quality as the bike is supposed to be. Damn, that Mustang sounded good. That, I mean, it doesn't scare me away from it, but I guess you could call it a sensitive bike, man. I mean, hey, a Yamaha, Honda, Gixxer, you could throw a freaking eBay freaking exhaust on it and it's good, you know, it'll take it. We ain't got no sensors popped up on this thing, and this thing's got a, pretty sure it's an eBay exhaust. I can't remember what, it's SC something, I don't know. But yeah, that's like, it doesn't scare me away from a BMW. It's just like, damn, like, do I really want to go into a bike that if I want to mod it, I have to spend some spend some money on some quality stuff? Like, or do I just, you know, stick to my good old foreign Japanese brands and save my wallet a good hurting? I don't know what y'all think about that. I'll tell you right now, my wallet would really appreciate it if I didn't go to one of them crazy foreign bikes, BMW, Ducati. Shit, that's not even a question. I ain't doing Ducati, hell no. Bike in general is too damn expensive. Oh my god, it looks like it's still packed. Alright, who's gonna let me through here? Okay, where's the entrance at? Right here. Good. Thank you, ma'am. Or dude, whatever you were, couldn't tell. Yeah, well, no, it's a lot better than what it was yesterday. I'm telling you, yesterday I could not find a parking spot. I literally had to park over here at the Starbucks and walk all the way across. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. Hey, brother! Hey, there's another bike. What is that? Can't tell. Looks like a Yamaha, but probably wrong. A Suzuki. I ain't seen that before. Tail of the Dragon. Alright everybody, I just finished my workout. What are you doing? I'm gonna take the long way home. I hate that it's nighttime because I really want to do this. It might be a little chilly, but I gotta. Alright, so I hope this video isn't terrible. So, oh God, I forgot I don't have my clear visor on me. Got my tinted one, so hopefully the wind noise isn't gonna be bad because I gotta have my visor up. Can't see shit. Anyways, so while I was doing my workout, you know, I'm in there pumping my iron, getting it, and between one of my workouts, I scrolled through Facebook and I came across the video that the ICE agents, they killed that lady up in Minnesota. I think it was Minnesota or somewhere up there. I don't know the full details behind that video. Those of you that know me and have me on Facebook know that when the whole ICE raids, or whatever you want to call it, ICE operations, were happening in Charlotte, I took a real big offense to it. Just the fact that a lot of U.S. citizens that look Hispanic, that look illegal, let me say, were being arrested. I mean, what kind of crap is that, dude? Like, and most of y'all that know me, man, I joke around about stuff like this, but it got to the point where I truly think that, like, if they would have came here and if they would have seen me, they would have questioned me about being an illegal immigrant. But dude, I'm a U.S. citizen. I was born here. Like, why are you questioning me just because I look like an illegal? Last time I checked, that wasn't a crime, buddy. You're not about to violate my rights just because you assume that I'm illegal. And it's just like seeing all this going on and just seeing what other people are going through. Bro, it sucks. I guess the biggest reason why I really feel for them is because I have friends that came here on programs that Donald Trump is trying to get rid of. I have family and friends here that came here illegally but did everything right. And, you know, and they got okay statuses now. But if this would have been happening while they were in the process of doing it right, being here illegal still, they would have gotten targeted. And I don't pick a side. Like, I don't care if you voted for red. I don't care if you voted for blue. I don't care if you voted for third parties or whatever the hell they are. Like, I don't care about politics, bro. I don't care about none of that. People ask me all the time, what do I think about Trump? Honestly, as a businessman, yeah, dude, go for it. Heck yeah, run this country like a business. But the shit he says, bro, is mind-blowing. Like, the shit he says is real mind-blowing, bro. Like, now, same thing with the blue side, bro. You asked me about them. Depending on the subject that you're asking me, or whatever we're talking about, like, I guarantee you I'm gonna have something bad to say about them. I don't care about politics. I don't want y'all to take this video as oh, he hates Trump, oh, he hates this. I could care less about who's president, bro. I just feel for the people that are being targeted right now by ICE, I completely understand that like deportation has to happen. It has to happen in this country. I completely understand that. You know, some parties freaking put it out more than others. You know, like as bullcrap as y'all want to say, red side, the blue side deports people too, bro. When I had a buddy that his stepfather or stepdad or mom's boyfriend, whatever he was, he got deported when the blue was president. Like, both sides deport people. One side just shows it off more than the other. Okay? So, and like I said, I understand deportation has to happen in this country. I completely understand that. I am with it. But the way they're doing it right now is not okay. By no means. I don't care if you... Bro, if you voted red and you're okay with what exactly is going on, brother, come on, man. Like, it's just sad to see that people I hung around just thinking that they, you know, might have for the slightest moment would have had your back, instead are on Facebook arguing, defending their opinion on that, which I get it. Everybody's you know, has right to their own opinion, obviously. But it's just mind blowing that I used to like chill with you, thinking that you were cool. But honestly, that was not it. Like, I don't know why. I really wish I would have ran into ICE when that shit was happening, bro. It's just like everybody in this country acts like these immigrants are such a big problem. Like, oh my God, they're making your life so miserable that you ignore having a conscience, bro. Like you're defending murder, bro. You cannot do that shit. That's not okay, man. That's just like saying, Charlie Kirk deserved getting shot. Like, hell no, dude. At the end of the day, nobody deserves to die, bro. I don't care what you're defending. I see it no different, honestly, from the Charlie Kirk side, bro. Like, that is sad that someone has to die like that. Like, a family has to struggle because someone felt some type of way, or a professional law enforcement thought his life was in danger because a car at, I don't know, what's the max speed it could have been going by the time it got to him. I mean, he was standing right in front of it. Literally 5 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. 10 miles an hour. The fact that he thought his life was literally gonna die because of that shit, bro. Like, that is just mind blowing. Oh, it really messes with me, man. Like, I didn't even finish my full workout, to be honest with you, while I was at the gym. It's just, like I said, I'm not picking sides. I'm just this one subject. I feel for some of the people, man. And if you don't, that's fine. It is what it is. I'm not telling you how to feel. It's really sad that this country is heading down this path, man. Are you trying to race? Sorry, I had to give a little rant on that, or express my feelings on that subject. I promise this is not what this channel is going to be about. I guarantee you it. No, that's not what I have in plans. But it did mess with me a lot while I was at the gym, and I felt like I needed to say something. And being that YouTube is my main focus right now, what other platform to do it on? At the end of the day, I feel bad that families have to suffer for stuff like that, man. Knowing damn well there's other ways that stuff like this can be handled, man. Like, it doesn't have to come down to violence. I just hope they figure it out quick. Not only for their sake, but like literally the sake of the country, man. Like, dude, if stuff keeps going down like this, I got a feeling it's gonna be pretty bad, or it will get bad. Let's hope it doesn't get to that. I hope this video isn't terrible. It is the middle of the night. I don't think I've ever seen a motovlog at nighttime. It's gonna be interesting to see how this video comes out. God. It is gonna... This little breeze is gonna mess with my throat again. Hopefully it don't make me most sick. I hate being sick. Anyways, it's between BMW and 1000. Back to that subject. What do y'all think? Which one would y'all pick? BMW? Anyways, back to that subject that we were talking about on the way to the gym. Which bike? Honestly, it's going to be either a BMW or R1. Oh, hello. Which one would y'all get, honestly? Between the BMW and R1, me personally, between the both, I think the front end of the R1 or the BMW looks really good. The tail of the R1 looks insanely good. Man, I don't know. I'm not gonna get the green light, am I? Nope. Which one would y'all get for real? And what color scheme? I don't know if R1's coming anything else other than blue or black. I don't think I've seen them in any other color scheme. The BMW, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all, I'm getting it in white. I got a thing for white vehicles. Hungry. I thought that was a motorcycle. It's one of them Hellcats. It go wee, wee, wee. Oh, the clock smells so good right now. moving over. Dude, the taillights on those BMWs look insane. Oh, El Jalisco. I hear you calling my name. Oh. Anybody coming? I'm trying to go to the next lane. Oh, I wish lane splitting was legal here. Of course. I hope we have another nice warm day. Be able to go to a parking lot, practice some clutch ups. Well, everybody, I really hope this video doesn't turn out bad because it's nighttime. Yeah, sorry about my little rant, I guess you could say. Hopefully nobody hates me for my opinion. Anyways, hope everybody has a great night. And see you later.